Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua, your trusted high-tech lab in the Bay of Plenty. Welcome to Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua, the only high-tech lab in the Bay of Plenty. We specialize in expert repairs for a wide range of devices, including video game Xbox Series cell phone, iPhone Series, PC, MacBook Series cell phone with Aero iPad. Floppy disk data recovery. Equipped with industry-recommended tools and machines, we ensure precise diagnostics and repairs, right down to the microchip level. Whether it's a cracked screen, a malfunctioning motherboard, or data recovery, our skilled technicians are here to restore your devices to peak performance. At Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua, we combine cutting-edge technology with unparalleled expertise to deliver fast, reliable, and professional service. Trust us to get your tech back in action. Phone call us today and experience the best in tech repair. 073477044. Email info@budgetrepaircenter.nz